Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to blur in Filmora, apply blur in Filmora, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So first, to be able to begin, just make sure to open first the Filmora app onto your device. So once you're already in here, it's time to go ahead and import the media that you want to use. So simply click onto import media in here to browse onto your different files, or you could simply drag and drop the files that you want to use. So as you can see, I have different files already in here. We're going to use this user guide in here to proceed. To add this onto the timeline here onto the bottom part, we could simply drag and drop that to start editing, or we could click onto the plus icon in here to proceed. So once it is added already, let's straight adjust this first and put this onto the first part of the video just like that. To add the blur effect, we're gonna click onto the clip in here and head over to effects. Under effects, there should be a search bar here onto the upper part. You'll have to search for blur. So there are a lot of blur options that are available in here, and the blur that we're gonna use in here is this one, the blur to clear. So this will go ahead and add a blur first onto the clip, and it will automatically go clear. So you could go ahead and also browse onto the different blur options that are available in here, and you could use which one you want to use. So we're gonna try this one out. We're gonna simply drag and drop it in here, or do the same thing by clicking the plus icon here. So it should go ahead and look something like this. So let's start from the first part, and as you can see, it will go ahead and put the blur effect onto the part wherein it has this one. So as you can see, it started out from blur and then to clear. So you could adjust its duration over in here. You could also adjust the blur settings here, and then you could do a quick preview until you're satisfied to go ahead and export this. And that is how easy you could go ahead and blur in Filmora, apply blur in Filmora, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.